So we got 2 sessions in. I'm sending you one right now. And then one said that it failed to record the thing, but it's cool. I can go back to the file and I click on convert and it'll do it again. So it's doing it right now as we speak. So I'm sending you one right now and the other one's 7% done.
That's okay.
Yeah, because we need to all have all of us need to have all this shit, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
And come on, let's go. It's almost sent. Let me yeah, so super excited, bro. So what do you think about this? Pretty exciting, huh?
No, dude, yeah, definitely.
I want you to learn too, like how to apply what you're learning into the small time frames, bro. So then that way you can rape out things, you know?
So that's what I was doing today. So
Nice.
just kind of like a little quick scalp. Plus, I like it better because honestly, I hate holding these trades, and sometimes, it's just when you get a nice little pump up, retest, buy, and that's it's the best thing to do. You can just cash out, high leverage.
Yeah.
And it just feels better because you feel like, cool, I made this money quick,
Exactly.
Yeah. So I need to start. Yeah, I'm gonna start.
Because I've done that. Watch it. Because like the only habit that you're gonna take out is waiting till the 618. Because when you're in trending markets, sometimes they don't always do that. But because I remember my first mentor, I remember he was talking about that. Because I obviously do 618s too. It's just that it isn't just that when it trends and like especially on the smaller time frames, it doesn't do that, bro. So you're probably gonna have to be more impulse buying, like impulse trading, where you kind of boom, And that's what I've learned. Okay, because the way that I got way better at this is okay. These past like couple of days, I've been like what's that fool's name? Roger Banks. I've been looking at a lot of his videos, and remember I told you I got like zone trading, like zone to zone, and I've noticed watch right here, and you see these things, these big bars.
Right.
All we do is trade the big bars in the smaller time frames, and you'll see, bro, they don't test the 618 as much. Like here, I'll give you an example. Like watch, like these fucking like they test the 618 once they're done with their full impulse.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So once they're done from here to here, it'll test the 618 on a trend line and some other fucking previous support on the left side, But but the thing, my thing will be like, okay, catch a trade right here, boom, I'm out. I get out, bro, once it starts wicking on top and it starts going down. Once I start seeing going up like crazy, and it wicks down, I get out.
Okay.
And I've noticed I've been getting more profits that way, and it feels way better. Nice. So what I do when I see a pump, it'll pump up. It starts wicking. It'll pump up again. I get out, and it'll wick down, and then it'll continue to go up. And then once it's done, once you see it, then you'll start seeing it. Then you see a double bottom, and you'll see it, right? You'll see your divergences, and then that's when it goes to the 618. So
I see.
You know what I'm saying? So like that's so and then just getting used to just doing buys, even though it's not retesting. That's what I had to learn, and it was very tough. It's very tough because it's like you know what I'm saying? It kind of gets really antsy. Because it's like, fuck, I don't want, because you're going high, you're doing high risk, right? In order to make those 5%, you have to kind of bet more.
Yeah, true that.
So it gets a little gut wrenching. So what I did, bro, to help me out with that is I base the trades off the 4 hour. I go off 4 and below, and I'll see like, are we at discount, right? Are we still at discount, right? Or like, let's see, like, I use confirmations from Market Cipher I use confirmations from Market Cipher and discount where we're at on the band supply to allow me to do impulse buy. So like you'll see, like from here to here, fuck it, bro. You know what? I'm gonna do impulse buys and I'm not gonna wait for retests. Why? Because look at, bro, we're at support. We came from a retest. We're at a green dot on the 4 hour. You see how I'm using all this shit?
Yeah.
And that's because I'm telling you, you're gonna that's gonna be the biggest thing from learning to start doing more ins, because and what you can do, bro, is just you can go on your 12-minute and then just do one-to-ones. Do one-to-ones, like think, okay, oh, it's going up. You see how I hit this resistance?
Yeah.
You see how I hit that resistance right there, right?
Right.
I won the 618 too. Watch that. Yeah, there you go, right? 618. Okay, so now where were we at? Where was resistance? Was it 30-minute? Oh, was right. And damn it, I messed it up. Okay, right here. Okay, so we're at resistance. Yeah, down test of boom. We're at resistance. So it's like, okay, we're here. Because I remember I think I did a buy here. And it seems scary to do a buy here, no?
Right. Yeah, it does.
It does, because it's like, look, there's a double bottom. This could be a triple top.
Mm-hmm.
Right? But then look, where are we at relative in market cipher though? We were just crossing over.
Yeah, just crossing over.
Right? And then okay, so now go on the 1 minute. All right, go on the 1 minute or what smaller time frames, you know, and let's go on the 3 minute. Right here. What do we see here? What is this? A bullish, right?
Yeah.
We got a bullish on the watch. Look on the 1 minute. That's a bull pennant right there.
Yeah,
right?
with the divergence.
Where's the divergence at? Oh yeah, right? Here to here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so watch, look at. So yeah, you see how this is a bullish? Okay. So we're at resistance. We got a green dot on the 1 minute where we just came off of a bullish, correction. This is not an impulse. This is impulse correction. Right. So boom. Okay. Boom. And then use your trend line, right? Now all of a sudden on the 1 minute, it's starting to make sense. It's starting to make sense right here. It broke that, retested my trend line at the bottom here.
Yes, yeah.
Great retest. I can place a buy now. And I just came off of a green dot on the 1 minute. We have,
Yes, no, it makes sense, yeah.
Yeah, and it's wait, I'm telling you, dogs, this has been I've been making this. I made the most money doing it this way, and it's more fun, and you get to trade all day. Like now, I'm thinking about like really not getting a job because like I'm like, dude, I didn't know I can find this many opportunities in the market.
That's crazy. Yeah, so true.
So and don't get me wrong, you can still do these, but like that type of, I'm telling you, because that type of trading is for, like I said, when you have a lot, like it's just not like. Why? Why not just be a full-time trader?
Yeah, that's so true.
Like, why not be a full-time trader? Like, fucking, this is full-time, and full-time is full-time. Not, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I got you.
Because it also it makes, once you start creating more content, once you start getting more busier, once you start doing all of that, once we start growing more and having to do all this shit, then yeah, it makes sense to do that. But in the meantime, I think we should be doing this, man. I think we should be trading.
Yeah, no. More, faster money, and then not only that, but it's just more you're a little bit more in tune to the market, opposed to like,
hey, Johnny, you're gonna be so in tune, not a little bit more. You're gonna be like, you're gonna be a master because it's like, you're placing more, and like in the beginning, bro. Like I said, if you're not confident, just in the beginning, if you're not confident in the first couple of days, I would just do fake ones. I'll go like this.
That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, exactly.
Boom, here we got a retest, right? This is scary. We were at a previous with, this is scary. However, we're still at a 4-hour leg going up, so that's giving me the bias to continue,
right? Exactly.
Me, okay, when I started doing this, bro, I would wait for 50s, the 50s and the 618s and 718s, and I wasn't getting shit, bro. I kept on getting out. I'm like, what the fuck, man? Because I'm trading the trend. I'm going up, and it's not really kind of, that's for the impulse. But my goal is to make money in the impulse, not the correction. My goal is to make money in the impulse, and a couple times. Like I'm not gonna buy here and wait all the way over here, even though I'll post that for people because obviously they're not doing in and out trades. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
They're not doing in and out trades, bro. They're, so like I'll leave those, but in the reality, I'm giving them that trade, but I'm trading within that trade.
Yeah, no, I got you.
Yeah. And then okay. So as you can see, so let's do an example right here. This pattern actually did not play out. So let me go ahead, and these are the levels that I see on the smaller time frames, bro. Because you know, here's a reversal. Like I got another win right here. You know, I did one when here's a trend line. Because look, here's a pretty close support. It could have just easily gone down. So I created a trend line. I created that trend line there. Here's another trade that I won, which is amazing, and it feels amazing when you can get a bunch of wins a day.
A bunch of wins, yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. Watch. It did that. Not just that though. I'm on the smaller. Let's go on the 3. You know, you got a W, a retest. You got a W, and you also have another trend line right here, which was going up, boom, and it retested that. And then what do we got at the bottom?
Nice.
We got a green daughter, right? All of this is giving me confirmation to do buys, when in reality I'll be scared to do a buy close to resistance.
Yeah, no, it's good.
You know, so and then what I do is I do 1-to-1s, and as soon as I see that green dot, and as soon as I start seeing a pump, once I see that one pump that goes up, I place a buy on that pump, or I'll go on my phone and I already have the lot. I go on my phone and I have the amount ready, so I just click a button.
Oh, I see.
So I have my phone ready on the left side, because my internet's been, I don't know, it's just hit and miss on there. So I go on my phone, it's actually been working better a little bit there. And then I'll place the buy, and it'll be a 1-to-1, and then I'll give myself a 1-to-1, and I'll give it a nice amount of breathing room way beneath the bottom. Like a lot more, not just close. I don't do this. I don't do these. No. Because like you're on smaller time frames. And but anyways, I'll do these, and then I'll do 1-to-1s for the previous resistance, like a 1-to-1 right there, whatever.
Yeah.
And if I start seeing it go down here, and if I see it go my halfway, because I'll do a line on the halfway, or I'll know exactly where the halfway is at, and I'll close it immediately. And but that hasn't even happened, bro. Like I haven't lost. To be honest, I haven't lost in
Nice.
Wow.
Okay.
So that's how I manage my risk. I won't let it go down to my stop loss at all. I'll just, as soon as I start seeing it backfire on me, which it doesn't, bro. When you trade this way, they don't backfire on you, because like you're going in on the 1 minute, 3 minute, you're going in on a bunch of confirmations, and they're all lining up. Look, they all line up.
That's so true.
They all line up. Look at you're on an uptrend. You completed your fucking impulse. It broke the fucking trend line. You're at a fucking green dot here now. 6 minute. Watch this go on the 6 minute. That was a divergence.
Oh yeah, right there.
Hold up, right there. That's a nice divergence. Okay, 6 minute. Let's go on the 10 minute. What do we got on the 10 minute? Look at that. What do we got on the 10 minute? Right here. You got the VWAP and everything going up. The green dot hasn't. I didn't see that green dot yet, correct? Because it confirmed after, or basically it confirmed there, right?
Yeah.
But like everything lines up, dude. So like everything starts lining up. So. And okay, so let's go on the 30 minute. Let's go right here. What do we see on the 30 minute during that time? So let's just see right here. Okay, we see at the left, you have a wick, previous sell to buy wick, flip zone. Okay, we got a flip zone. Here's a previous support. So we got 2 supports. Okay, so I'm thinking, fuck, this is scary. It can go back down here, which is why I did these right here. It can go back down here. That's kind of scary. Well, I also have my 3 this going up. I have my VWAP going up, so that's confirming that it's potentially going to go higher. What else do I have? Let's go on my 1 hour. What do I have on here? Oh, we got a doji, or we got price around here, stopping here, and it's right here. So it should have probably brought the price down a little bit more. But what also do we have? We have the money going up. Okay, that's another sign. You know, we have money flow going up. So I use, I'm using higher confirmation trade, and we just came off of a fucking 4-hour red dot.
Yeah.
4-hour red dot close to dynamic support right here. This trend line that's been testing it like crazy. You know, this trend line right here, just like Bitcoin has that one. You know.
Yeah.
So what does this mean?
It just came off. Yeah, it's true.
So more likely than not, the pushes are going to continue to go up. So because before I would be scared, bro, doing these type of trades. Before I would be very scared, because look, if we're doing buys close to fucking previous support right here. And so like, I'm just showing you how I overcame my fears of buying close to resistance.
No, yeah, no, it makes sense. Dude. No, I mean, I like that strategy. It's
Yeah,
dope.
yeah, okay, all right. So, okay, what's next? What's next? Let me. So why don't we? What's next? Why don't you? We can do this while I'm on here. You do your investor profile. You know,
Okay, cool.
that way you can get yours done. I sent you guys that video, by the way.
Oh, sweet.
And the other one's converting at 38%. So we still got 60% left to go, 70% somewhere around there. For this to finish. But pretty dope, huh?
Pretty dope, bro. Yeah, pretty dope.
I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna make way more money this way. I already know it, dude. Because you know what I'm saying? The only reluctancy you're gonna have is making buys and going impulsing. But bro, like, or you could just okay. You're gonna be very good at waiting. Your discipline and patience is gonna be very good. So you're gonna have that unlocked. The only thing now is gonna be, how do I catch these moves? Because look, bro, watch. I go from here to here, this top. That was at a
Uh-huh.
that was at a 382, and we could have had a buying opportunity here, all the way up here. So that was a 382, and that's risky. Let's go to maybe the next one, which is down here to here. What do we got on there? That's oh no, that was a 618, just above 618. Boom, we got here. But yeah, maybe you can continue the 618 strategy. You know.
Yeah,
But
I mean, it gives me good yeah, I
it
mean,
does
it gives
give
me
good.
good confirmations.
Okay, cool. Don't
Shit,
worry,
hold
bro.
on.
I'm just giving you ideas.
Yeah, no, but I can honestly combine them all, you know?
Oh, exactly, dude. It's everything.
Yeah,
It's everything,
it's
bro.
not, yeah, it's everything, exactly.
Master traders, everything. Master everything, bro. That's what we do here. All strategies, so you can be a fucking trading machine. Okay, so we got the VWAP just under the price right now, I think, for Bitcoin as well. But I mean, it's under for. All right, my bad. I know that we need to get the other thing done. Let's bring that up. You printed it, right?
I printed it, yeah.
Okay. So
Give me a second.
go ahead.
Bernie's giving me a free
Go ahead. No worries.
a free bet for a game.
Oh, nice.
So let's see.
See, look, hey, bro, build your skills on that one. You know, your team building on that one. Maybe figure out a way, make it an initiative to get that flow on the team some way somehow. You know,
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
don't need to,
exactly.
but just think of okay. This is what I've learned, bro. Sometimes, like, okay, so lately I haven't really been okay. So like I'm like instead of me thinking like, oh, fuck this guy, I'm gonna be like, you know what? How can I use him? You know, and obviously not use him, but like, how can he be a part of this? You know what I'm saying? Like, I just that's been sometimes I'll have negative thoughts about certain people, and just like that it happened recently with one of the homies that I know that I have here.
Yeah.
He's been pushing because like I he's pushing me on a model or a business model or something what he's doing, but it's like, dude, I've trained myself for so long for this, and it's like, and he's good with UFC bets, and it's like, I think it's better to do that than start a whole new business or spend all this money on an asset when you don't need to, when the asset could just be your skills that you already have right now.
So true, man. So true.
But anyway, so then I was like, you know what? Instead of, I'll just, so my idea was like, all right, let me just make it easy for him. How can I make it easy for him to do this? Well, create a known channel for him. Fucking create his own channel. Maybe, also be willing to take his UFC bets. So that's how it kind of,
True.
to kind of flip my mind from being like, nah, fuck this guy. This guy's not gonna do it. To how
Right.
can he do
Right.
it?
Exactly.
That's just trust me, bro, I go through that a lot. You know, I have a pretty arrogant, stubborn mind. That can make me throw away opportunities. Oh, look at that beautiful pump. There we go. XR peso.
Nice.
Yeah, bro. Yes.
Nice.
Damn, bro. I've been fucking god damn. I'm like, dude, one of my affirmations is I am easily growing my trading account daily. That shit has been helping. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's that specifically, but that, man. I'm already up.
What's your affirmation?
I'm already up another 80 XRP, bro. Fuck off that bet.
Nice.
I am easily growing my trading account daily. I am excited to push my team to grow exponentially. I am easily creating viral, valuable content daily. Those are my 3 ones that I've been just going over and over.
Nice.
Oh, it's tapping that trend line. Come on, baby. So let's see if we should hold. It's tapping a pretty powerful trend line right now. We're going up. Okay, that's continuing to push up the momentum on the 1 hour, 2 hour. Let's go on the 2 hour. Okay, we still got some more upside movement from market sector B. You know, VWAP's kind of pointing out. You know, we got what do we got here? Ooh, that's a 17 cool, -5 still. Okay, cool, still pointing up. So this is giving me some confidence. Ooh, it's starting to retest pretty fast there. I may just close out. I may close out. Should Esteban close out? Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, I can definitely be growing your guys' XRP account this way, you know, for damn sure. Let's go on smaller time frame, so we're getting a nice. I'm just gonna close it out. Boom.
Sounds good.
It's closing. Yeah, closing that bad boy. We kind of have a divergence in a way-ish, yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm out on that one. I'm outie. Yeah, and I think it would be better if like we create a system where like, okay, where we each trade our own, you know, we can be our own customers. We all, you know, are our own customers. And we that way we don't have to like, yo, should I do this? And yo, should I do this? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Because it's not efficient doing it this way. You know, us asking for sports bets and then and us probably telling each other, hey, do this, hey, do this. That's not efficient at all. And that can cause for error. That can cause error. And this is, yeah, it's better if we could just set it, forget it. Here you go, bro. Do your thing. I trust you. And that's it.
Yeah, very true.
And of course, just making sure that we trade, you know, response, and it's going to help, but trust me, I'm sure for a fact, because like, I don't want us to be betting too or risking too much. Or maybe we could, because I just know if you run the numbers, it's not really too, you know, when you run the numbers, it ends up being it could be deadly, you know,
Yeah, true that.
like a lot of percent. Like 5 is already pushing it because you only got 20 trades. You go 20 losses where you're done. 10% is 10 losses and you're done, you know?
Yeah.
And people, and we got to respect people's money, you know, it's not going to be good. Amazing, man. Our crypto should be going up.
Yeah, bro, I know. It's looking good overall.
Definitely. That's good stuff. I'm trying to do long-term trades, but they're so boring and I hate them. I'm like, man, I could just do it. No, I don't want to. Yeah, because long term, this shit looks good. You can just place a buy, set it, and forget it. But I'm like, oh no, I want to get this fucking game right now. Damn. Yeah, I'm out of that buy. I'm out of that buy.
Give me a second, bro, okay?
You good? You?
and vice versa. And vice versa.
Wow, just keeps on pumping, bro. Oh my god. Fucking bitch ass. It's gonna be so dope, bro. We're in.
Yeah, bro, big time, man.
I was gonna be very excited once we were pitching people, and we already have traders under us, and we're just focusing on raising money.
Exactly, bro. Exactly.
And then obviously training them. But I think what's gonna be very exciting is going out there and slaying the dragons.
Yeah.
I just having a feeling that it's gonna retest pretty soon here, though.
Bernie makes he uses a different app, but he knows about the one that
The water.
Rob uses. My buddy uses Bookie,
Nice.
and I could think Rob said that he's been trying to figure that one out too, but similar, you know.
Yeah.
So he's been making good money. So I'm gonna just kind of run whatever he sends me. I'm gonna run them through Rob and see what he has to say, you know.
Yeah.
And just and vice versa, you know. That way we kind of help each other out, you know.
Yeah. Fucking yeah. Very powerful fucking 4-hour bar, bro.
Let's see.
Gary Gensler, he's trying to make it so that SEC has all power instead of Congress for the digital
Oh,
asset.
for real?
They're trying to make it so we're like only the SEC, so they don't have to go to the Congress to like approve certain laws or whatnot.
Uh-huh.
So he can have more control over the SEC, over the crypto, over the digital asset market.
Over the digital asset partners.
Fucking douchebags. Yeah, I love this smaller time frame, bro. I can see, or like just, I'm actually not small time frame. I'm just in love with the fucking chart patterns and in general, this like they play out the same fucking way every single time.
I know it's dope once you get familiarized with it, huh?
Yeah, because like what you can do, well, this is what like is all right. This is what he's saying. He made it so simple. Is like you look at a big bar, big green bar, and then say it's a 4-hour bar, and then look at all the patterns that created that 4-hour bar, and you'll see like all the patterns are the same. You know?
Yeah. So
W,
true.
it goes up above the pre. Anyway, it's exciting to really be able to read
No, I
it.
got you. It is. It really is. Again, you familiarize yourself with it a lot. Right now, I see, and then also I'm getting like really knowledgeable on using market cipher too. It's like
Oh, nice. Your skill set with
catching
market.
on to it really good, you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like right now, it's like on the 6 minute on Bitcoin, it's showing triple top.
Diverge or what?
But yeah, look at how the money flow and the momentum waves are going down. So it's bound to go down. That shit always happens.
Nice.
So I'm waiting on that for sure. Yeah.
You know, it looks like a Bart Simpson pattern too, no?
It does, yeah, exactly. So same thing's playing out again. You know, I'm already familiar with this. I can probably find it's already divergence. Maybe it's gonna pump a little higher and then go down. So I can always do a short on it too, you know?
Yeah.
So
Hey,
but maybe I can just probably wait for the retest or go down and then find a nice entry, you know?
mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's
Yeah, I
gonna
got
happen to me.
burned. Me personally, I think I'm really much better with buys.
Yeah, and I'm getting better at the buys and sells, so I'm probably gonna stick to my buys right now. Give me a second, Esteban. Okay?
Yeah, no, hey, we'll do this here. I'll stop it, bro, and then
Uh-huh.
I guess because the only thing you need to do is just complete that, the
Okay.
investor
Yeah.
profile.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take care of that
I
right
guess
now.
that Wednesday, that's it. That's all we need this one for, bro. But yeah, and then I'll
Okay.
send you the videos.
Okay, sounds good, brother. For sure, man. All right, man.
Okay. All right, big dog. I'll see
Later,
you
brother. Later, brother.
later, bro.